Happy Friday, September 6th. Let's get into it. Let's give you a weekly update with what's going on with mortgage interest rates. And I know the biggest thing on people's minds, because this is what clients are telling me over and over again, this is what real estate agents are telling me over and over again, is, Mike, what's going to happen with interest rates when the Federal Reserve drops their Federal Reserve's overnight funds rate in September here in a couple weeks? What's going to happen, right? Rates are going to plummet. Well, here's what I'm going to tell you guys is, and this may sound counterintuitive, but rates have already been falling. Okay, lenders have already been anticipating what the Federal Reserve is going to do. Why? Because they've been alluding to it for a bit now. They've been saying that the Fed rate cuts are coming. Lenders are anticipating this Fed rate drop. What does that mean in a couple weeks when the Federal Reserve starts dropping their interest rate? Well, a small cut, 1/4 to 0.5%, that's what they're talking about. It's probably not going to translate to much movement at all because, again, most of the work has already been done. And if you don't believe me, check out this. Here is mortgage interest rates compared to the Fed funds rate over this past year. Okay, so the little blue line on the bottom is showing you what the Fed's fund rate has been doing, right? They were adding, increasing, and then they've been in this holding pattern. Okay, the red line above is what mortgage rates have been doing. You can see where they peaked and then how they've come all the way down. So the question is, if people are waiting for the Federal Reserve to start dropping rates, how come mortgage rates have already started dropping? Okay, again, that's the anticipation of what the Fed is going to do. What does this mean for you? There's going to be increased competition in buying homes post-Fed decision, right? That's what people are waiting for. They think there's some magic date that's going to happen. They start dropping rates and mortgage rates already drop. But that's going to lead to bidding wars, okay? All of a sudden, people that have been waiting because they're waiting for rates to drop are going to jump back in the market, okay? Rates reached their peak of this year in April 25th. That was 7.52% was the 30-year fixed average on a conventional loan back then. Today, as of today, it's 6.35. Okay, interest rates have already dropped 1.17%. Okay, over 1% in just 4 months, 4.5 months. That's a crazy drop. Interest rates already know what's going to happen, and I'm here to tell you the work with interest rates, it's already been done. You guys have a great Friday. Go high school football and go Mill Valley Jags.